Hello friends, this is part 5 of Differential Calculus in which we are discussing function. Today we are going to discuss topic function, its definitions and few properties. So before watching this video, make sure you have watched my earlier videos. If you have not watched that video, you can find the link in the description. Now let's see function. What is function? When there are two non-empty sets A and B, let's consider two non-empty set A and B, then a function from A to B is a rule of correspondence that assigns to each element x in a unique y in B. Means a function is defined only when there is a unique relation from A to B. To elaborate this topic, let's see this by a diagram. See, this is set A, this is set B. Function is from A to B. This we can also write from A to B, and we can write F on the arrow. This is also denoted by this. Then relation from A to B. So this is, I have taken a random example. In set A there are three elements 1, 2, 3, and in B, A, B, C, these are three elements. So when a function is defined, it has unique relation from set A to set B. It have unique relation. See, if I will write 1 to A and if I write this 1 to B, then it cannot be a function, because in function for a specific value there will be a specific answer. For example, if of f of 1 is equal to 2, then f of 1 is equal to 3. We cannot write this because for a unique value there will be a unique answer. If we are getting in a function this way, this type of answer to different answer, then it is not a function. So first condition is it have unique relation, and also there must be solution of all the elements. If I write f of 3, for example, f of 3, and if I did not get any answer, then it is not function. For the main condition is all the elements must have any solution. This is known as codomain. This whole set B is known as codomain. If in B there are elements left, then it's okay. There is no need that all element cover. And the element which are covered, for example here A and B are the answer, so A and B are range, because we have got that from set A, and set A is known as domain. Now let's see few terms. What is domain? The set of those elements from which f is to be defined. Means the element which we can keep in set A, that is known as domain. We know that what is domain, the value that satisfy this function that we can keep in the function. For example, let's see, f of x is equal to let's take x square. So here we can put any value of x, so its domain will be R. And what will be its range? We know its graph is like this, so its range is, it will be intersect at 0, so here its range is R plus, means from 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity, so range will be R plus. So set B is known as codomain. I already told. What is range? The set of images of each element in A is called range. Here we are getting A and B as image from set A. So A and B are known as range. So A and B is range and whole set is known as codomain. Now we can write, there is a note, range is subset or equal to codomain. As codomain will be a larger set and range will be smaller, or in some cases it can be equal to codomain. Let's see one example. If it is 1, 2 and here I write A and B, this is set A, this is set B. If relation is like this way, so here codomain and range are both are equal, because the image are A and B and codomain includes only two elements A and B. So here we can write range is equal to codomain, and in above example range was subset of codomain. Now let's see some algebraic of function, means algebraic properties. If f is a function from d1 to r, domain is d1 to r, and g is a function from d2 to r, then with the few algebraic properties we can define, that is f of plus or minus a from domain d to r defined by f of plus or minus x is equal to f of x plus or minus f of g of x. So we can say that if it is f plus g of x, so we can separate this. So we can write f of x f of x f of x and g of x, f of x and g of x. Let's increase the size of brush. So, and if it is in product f of x into g of x, means f of fg product of x, then we can separate f of x into g of x. Similarly, if it is f divided by g from c to r, then we can write f divided by, we can separate. It's simply what we are doing. We are addition multiplication rule, we are applying that. Similar this way we can separate this function. Now here there is c. What is c? C is x belongs to d, but g of x should not be equal to 0. If g of x will be 0, that function will not be defined and we will not be able to solve further. So here we have to take this care. And also d is intersection of d1 and d2. I hope you understood this basic theory. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section given below. I hope you like this video. If you really liked, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. In my next session, I will discuss composite function. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.